friends, I am back and I am ready to show you guys how to make pancakes. But today we're going to do them just a little bit differently. Are you ready to see how? Time to wash our hands with warm water and soap for at least 20 seconds. Here we go.
Wash your hands, wash them every day. Wash your hands, wash them every day. If you get spider, have to wash off. Down can rain and wash the spider off. Out can sun and dry all the rain. And if you get spider, have to start again. Alright, we're done. Let's get started.
First, we are going to preheat our oven to 425 degrees. Alright. For this recipe, you're going to need pancake mix. Any kind is fine, or you can make your own. Today I'm using pancake mix that requires milk, egg, and oil. Also going to need cooking spray, food coloring, 1 large bowl, 6 small bowls, plenty of spoons, 1 tablespoon, and some measuring cups, and 1 sheet pan. First, we're going to take 2 cups of our pancake mix. So we're going to fill it up to the 2-cup line. And that's about right. Put it in our large bowl. Next, we're going to add our milk. We are going to need 1.5 cups of milk. So we're just going to fill it up to our 1.5 line on our measuring cup, which is right about there. There we go. And we're going to pour it into our large bowl. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of our canola oil to our large bowl. 1, 2. There we go. Next, we are going to crack 2 eggs into our large bowl. 1 and 2. Now we're ready to mix our pancake batter. Yay! You're going to mix it up until it's all blended. And make sure you don't overmix it. Alright, now that our batter is all mixed up, we're going to divide this large bowl of batter into these 6 bowls here. Try to divide the batter as evenly as possible into your bowls. If not, it's going to be okay. Next, we are going to take our food coloring and we're going to make this batter colorful. First, we're going to start with red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice, we have red. Next, we're going to make orange. Do you guys remember how to make orange? It is red and yellow. Wow. Pretty orange. Next, we're going to do yellow. Keep in mind, y'all can make these colors as dark as you want. And you don't have to do the entire rainbow like I'm doing. Y'all can make as many colors as you want to. You can do 3, 4, 5. It doesn't matter. All right. Got a nice yellow there. All right, what color do you think I'm going to do next? Let's do green. Okay. Ooh. That is so pretty. Pretty, pretty. All right. Now we have green. And what color next? How about blue? Oh, wow. That is so pretty. All right. There's our blue. All right, the last one. We are going to do my favorite color, purple. Do you guys remember how to make purple? Let's see. A little bit of blue. And a little bit of red. Let's see. Ooh. Awesome. Pretty purple. All right, we're ready. Now that our colors are all mixed up, we are going to move on to the next step. Look how pretty that is. All right, we are going to take our baking sheet and we are going to spray it with our cooking spray. All right, make sure you get it nice and greased up so it doesn't stick to the pan. All right, now that our baking sheet is greased, we are going to add our batter. So pretty. Blue. Ooh. And our purple. So beautiful. All right, and you can move your pan around a little bit. Try to make sure that it's evenly spread out onto the pan. Doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be perfect. That is so cool. You can bake your pancakes now as is, or if you want to add some of your favorite fruit to it, you can do that too. It doesn't matter, you can do whatever you like. I have some blueberries here that I'm going to add to mine. You can just sprinkle them on there any way you like. All right, I've got my blueberries all spread out, and now I'm going to put my pancakes into the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. All right, let's set our timer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, pancakes in no time. Oh, it's time for rainbow pancakes! Ah! All right, they're in there for 10 minutes. They look like they still need about 5 more minutes, so we're going to set our timer to 5 minutes, you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. All right, you guys. 5 minutes have passed. Oh, and they look so cool. Remember, whoever is pulling the pancakes out of the oven, be sure to wear an oven mitt because they're going to be really hot. So be very, very careful. One way to see if the pancakes are done is to stick a toothpick in it. If there's batter that comes out, that means that we have to cook the pancakes a little bit longer. And if there's not any batter on there, then they're done. Let's see. Looks like we're good to go. Let your pancakes cool for a few minutes because we do not want to burn our mouths. These pancakes are very hot. Be very careful. Once your pancakes are cooled, we're just going to cut this thing like a cake. Into pieces, like so. I'm just going to do that all over it. Yay! I'm ready to eat my pancakes. Feel free to add whatever toppings you like to your pancakes. If you're going to use syrup, try to find syrup that's low in sugar or sugar-free. Just a recommendation. I hope y'all had a lot of fun making these pancakes with me. I know I had fun. I had never made pancakes like this before, and it was so much fun. It was one of the coolest things I've ever seen. I hope that you have fun making yours. Until next time, bye!